Hello everybody and welcome to week 3 of Pride Month in May. I'm very excited for today's Cashin because if you guys have not checked out the 2 previous Cashins that I unboxed, make sure you click here and you watch those videos first. That way you know exactly what I'm talking about. The past 2 have been gorgeous colors. I'm very excited for the next one. So without any further ado, let's pick our next bag. And here is our new best friend, our gigantic Coach box. Let's see which one is going to be next. We have 2 left. I'm excited for the next one because those past 2 have been gorgeous. Let's go with this one. Here is the next Cashin and process of elimination. I've seen the 4 styles and tiny little pictures, so this can only be one of 2 others that are left in this collection. Let's see which one this one is. All right, I see a peak of white leather here, so I know which one this one is. I've never seen it in person, but I will let you know now. Out of all 4 bags, this is the one that I was the most on the fence about if I should pick up or not, but I had to give it a shot. I don't reach for white bags too often, but the print on this one that I seen in a tiny little picture looked so adorable that I'm like, I have to at least give it a shot. So let's see what she looks like in person. All right, you guys can see it before I do. I can't see this yet. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Okay. I am loving this. Like I said, I normally don't reach for white bags, but this looks adorable. The white really makes the red and the blue pop. That whale, that blue whale on there looks so cute. One of the things that I really enjoy about these Cashins is the versatility. It being printed only on one side gives you 2 looks in one. If you want to be a little bit more extra, you have the printed side. If you want a little bit more of a classic look, you have the blank leather on the other side. I must say, I am absolutely in love. I think I might even like this a little bit more than the Pines Pantry one. I was very on the fence. Like I said, I don't reach for white bags very often, but this color combination really makes that red and the blue really pop on it. And I guess this would be a perfect bag for 4th of July, red, white, and blue. It's very patriotic, but at the same time, it's just, look at that. Let's take a little tour all the way around. We got that chalk leather, which I'm guessing this is chalk because, like I said, these bags don't tell you what color they are, which is very odd. Normally, they always give you a color of it, but this one doesn't. None of these bags in the collection tell you what color they are. Genuine glove tan leather. I love the variations on the bottom. So much character there. Let me give you guys the style number, which is the same as the past 3, plus the color code, which is going to get you this specific Cashin. So like all the others, it's CJ858, and the color code for this bag is going to be VTY, and it's the T-Dance Cashin 22 Fire Island. Retails also for $450. If you guys are not familiar with the T-Dance, well, let's dive into a little history lesson. The T-Dance, an afternoon see and be seen dance party event, first held in 1966 at the Blue Whale, a waterfront bar and eatery located in the Pines. Thus, the logo that you're seeing here, it has the blue whale on it that is very iconic to Fire Island, and I think it's absolutely adorable. It's so cute. It's definitely going to be a keeper. Doesn't it look so good on this? They did a really great job on this, especially with the red Cashin and this white Cashin. It really makes everything pop. That bright red with the white font just really popped, and then this bright white with the red and the blue font on it, it really pops and stands out. I might just have to start wearing white bags now, especially for this summer. When this launches, I'm going to be wearing it everywhere. I think this is so adorable. I love this little blue whale. It reminds me of one of my favorite places to eat in South Korea. I absolutely love this little guy on here, the little blue whale. I think it looks adorable, and that's what really made me want to purchase this bag. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of white bags usually, but this little guy, this little blue blue whale just caught my attention and I just had to give it a shot, and I'm glad I did because I absolutely love it. Of course, it does come with your leather strap, but of course I will be dressing it up with my Pride leather chain straps. It has your canvas interior, same setup as all the rest, your back zip pocket, and a credit card slot in the front. Some of you had concerns about the size difference between the 22 and the 32, thinking maybe the 22 was bigger than you thought, but I wanted to give you guys these couple extra shots to show you the size difference. It's definitely way smaller than the 32. It's going to be the perfect everyday size, and the 32 will definitely carry way more. I would say it's comparable to the Rogue 25. It's only a few centimeters off, but because this has just one big open compartment, I feel like it would hold more than a Rogue 25. I never thought I would be so excited for a white bag, but this is absolutely gorgeous. It is beautiful. It is fun. It's really giving that Cherries on the Bay a run for its money. I don't know which one is my favorite so far. It's hard to pick one. I can't pick which one I like more, this one or the Cherries on the Bay. They are both absolutely stunning. They really, really pop. Let me know in the comments down below which one you guys like so far the most out of this Cashin collection. And make sure you guys come back next week to see our last and final Cashin from the Pride Fire Island collection. Until then, you guys, stay extra out there, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!